Service disruptions don't just raise alerts, they create business risk. Applications run on complex, interconnected infrastructure, and IT must maintain app availability, performance, and operational efficiency at scale. HPE OpsRamp software helps IT teams master hybrid cloud operations with full visibility, faster fixes, and intelligent automation. And with HPE OpsRamp's intuitive agentic operations copilot, IT can investigate and take action with even greater speed and confidence. OpsRamp provides full-stack observability across hybrid multi-cloud environments by automatically discovering application and infrastructure resources, collecting metrics, events, logs, and distributed traces using open standards like OpenTelemetry and eBPF. Every system, every signal, and every dependency is unified into a single centralized view, eliminating blind spots across hybrid environments. Through machine learning, OpsRamp correlates this data and reduces noise, surfaces meaningful patterns, and identifies performance and availability issues, such as abnormal latency, failed transactions, or emerging service degradation. Understanding why a service is impacted requires more than telemetry. It requires context. OpsRamp provides service mapping that connects applications to the underlying network, compute, storage, and cloud services. With this context, teams can quickly see how service issues propagate through dependencies and understand if the root cause resides in application logic, network connectivity, underlying cloud infrastructure, or somewhere else. This unified perspective removes guesswork and accelerates informed decision-making. Hybrid environments generate massive alert volumes, but most alerts don't require action. OpsRamp AI-powered event intelligence correlates related signals across services and infrastructure and groups them into a single service-centric incident. This reduces alert noise and allows teams to focus attention on the issues that truly affect availability and performance. Instead of reacting to symptoms, IT gains clarity around impact and likely cause and responds faster with greater confidence. Many operational issues are well understood and don't need manual solutions. OpsRamp Intelligent Automation manages repeatable remediation tasks, such as restarting services, patching, or executing runbooks, while maintaining governance through approval workflows. By suppressing unnecessary noise and automating known fixes, OpsRamp reduces operational effort, shortens resolution times, and frees teams to focus on higher-value work. OpsRamp fits seamlessly into existing IT operations ecosystems. The solution communicates to any device across your hybrid environment and integrates with existing tools like ITSM ticketing, single sign-on, and third-party monitoring tools. This centralizes your data so you can take action from a single operational control plane without forcing disruptive rip-and-replace strategies. Bring AI-powered conversational assistance directly into your operations workflow with HPE OpsRamp Software's Operations Copilot. Embedded within OpsRamp, Operations Copilot allows teams to search, investigate, and take action using natural language. Quickly understand what's happening, why it's happening, and what to do next, all within a single interface. By assisting with alert analysis, probable root cause investigation, ticket management, and contextual product guidance, Operations Copilot reduces friction, accelerates response, and helps teams operate with greater confidence and consistency. This is HPE OpsRamp software in action, helping enterprise IT teams and service providers master hybrid cloud operations through unified visibility, faster fixes, intelligent automation, and a Gen AI Operations Copilot.